So I just got up and just taking my dog to the bathroom, and I don't know if you can tell by looking at me, but I didn't have a great night's sleep. I really thought I was gonna have like a great night deep sleep. I slept early, I ate well, I took my supplements, and I just don't feel that great. But I think it's just like a little bit of anxiety plus me catching up on my sleep routine. But I'm about to go put some Olaplex in my hair as like a pre-shampoo step before I start. I figure I might as well start my vlog here. It's 7 a.m. I usually wake up around, I was supposed to wake up at 6, but it's been like 2 weeks of like a terrible sleep schedule. These days I do my silk press over 2 days. Um, if I can do it in a day, I'll do it today, just in one day. But I'm not opposed to 2 days. Right, it just naturally stretched. I'm using the Olaplex number 8, which is actually a deep conditioner, and I'm putting 2 pumps per section. So the first pump is focused on the mid shafts and the ends, and then the second pump goes on the roots and any areas that just feel a little bit drier than they usually are. And here I did my shampooing and my conditioning. Of course, you can find all the details in my other video, but I will link all the products in the description box below. And here it was time to move on to the next step. So I am out of the shower. As you can see, my background is so messy there. Anyway, I'm out of my shower. My skin feels so dry, but like I'm gonna go back in the shower, so I'm not gonna put anything on my skin. I am about to eat my breakfast. If you can hear that sound in the background, it is the kettle. I am boiling my water for tea. My oat cake is in the oven. I'm gonna be eating for about 20 minutes. Then I'm going to rinse out this conditioner, put all my leave-in products, and then proceed to the blow dry. And I think I'll set up here for my blow dry while I have the leave-in in my hair, because I also like to go under heat with my leave-in for like at least 15 minutes. So I'm going to have the conditioner in my hair just exactly like the deep conditioner. I'll have the leave-in in the same way while I prep for the blow dry. Then I rinsed my hair and put in all my leave-in products to prep for the blow dry stage, which is coming next. You won't believe it. The power just went. My cake is still cooking in the microwave. I just took my camera battery to charge because I was like, let me make sure it's charged so that while I'm eating, I can at least be charging it so it doesn't die while I'm blow drying my hair. And I was wondering why the battery wasn't charging. There's no power. All I know is it better come back like in the next 2 seconds, because this is about to be the best silk press I've ever done, and these are just minor little glitches that come along the way when something amazing is about to happen. So like, it's back now. My cake is continuing to get done in the microwave. I don't know if it's gonna be ruined, but at least I already boiled water before the power went, so it was hot enough for me, at least for me to have a cup of tea. So I'm drinking my tea now, and as soon as I'm done, I'm going to rinse this out and do what I was supposed to do and do the blow dry. Then I'll just leave it so I can go for my yoga tomorrow morning. And I think I'll even be like more awake and feeling better. So all I have to do is the flat iron. So this is gonna be the best silk press that has ever touched this hair. So I just finished doing my extensive skincare routine. I forgot to film it, but anyway, I washed my face with this Youth to the People kale, green tea, and spinach cleanser. And then I followed up with my favorite new Korean toner. I did a collaboration with them like a few months ago or a month ago. I'm sure you've seen it, but this is not sponsored. It's a Rice brand toner. That is what it looks like. I absolutely love this toner, and it's so much. It's 500 mils. It's gonna last me like a year. Then I went in with the Inky List CoQ10 serum, this one. And then I went in with my CeraVe moisturizing cream, and then I finished it off with the Ordinary plant-derived hemisqualane. Now, I don't usually do this whole routine. I don't usually do this whole skincare routine in the morning. But if you've watched any of my past silk press videos, if you see me like blow drying my hair or flat ironing my hair, I always have this look like deep lines in my forehead. And it's not because I have deep lines in my forehead. Obviously, if I do this, like you see them, but it's because after washing my hair and being under the water and the shampoo and the conditioner for so long, it would dry out my skin so much, and I already have dry skin. So now every single time I wash my hair, I go in and do this extensive skincare routine as if it's like a winter night, especially because now when I go and use the blow dryer, it's gonna be blowing that dry air in my face. This is just gonna help create like a little barrier, protect my hair and my skin. So now I'm just about to put on a black shirt and I'm going to set up for the blow dry, and we're gonna start the blow dry process. I'm so happy with the new setup. Can you see how pretty this looks? Like the little olive tree in the back. I wish I could film from this perspective, but obviously like you can't see all this on camera. So in case you are wondering, I do have my camera here. I have my ring light. I don't know if I've shown my background before. Anyway, then I have this smaller light here from Young Nuo. It's on. I was testing the lighting setup, so all the lights are on. And then here, this is also from the same brand, but this is a bigger one. I'm about to buy a second one of this so that that little one can be used to light the background. As you can see, I'm in the living room, so the blinds are open there. We have my beautiful olive tree in the back here. Got a, it's really tall. See, and then I've already connected everything, so you can see this is where I'm going to be sitting. That's the view. I'll have the mirror here so I can see myself. You can see the olive tree in the back there. Some of the products I'll be using. I haven't brought my blow dryer out, but my blow dryer will be here, and then that's where I see myself when I'm filming. So hi, you can see myself. I look into the lens of the camera, you can see it there. So yes, I am now going to go under heat for 15 minutes, and then I will start the blow dry process. I think I need to take my dog out again first. Then yes, the blow dry process is about to begin. I blow dried my hair using my favorite GHD blow dryer. This is the best blow dryer I've ever used in my life. I would like to try the Dyson for sure, but I will link it in the description box below, and it's listed in the tutorial of this. I'm done for the day and I am exhausted. It is after 3 p.m., which is why I said there was no way I was going to silk press, flat iron my hair today. I wanted to make sure that I focus on the blow dry and get it as smooth and as sleek as possible. One annoying thing is my hair always grows longer on one side. And now I think the last time I probably had more split ends on the shorter side. So the shorter side was slightly shorter, and now the difference is like even more. But whatever, we'll see after I do the whole flat iron thing tomorrow. So my hair is so nice. It feels very nice and smooth and sleek. It almost feels like how my hair is when I put a serum, but there's no serum on my hair. And it's just in this low bun because I like my ends and everything to kind of be like wrapped and twisted around itself so that it can kind of like almost marinate. I feel like when I leave the hair out, it just kind of gets a little bit more dry, especially because my edges are like, not my edges, my ends are not super sleek because I just used the blow dryer and my brushes were breaking. So annoying. Clearly the Denman brush I bought was fake because I had to resort to using my other Denman brush, and the paddle brush is the one that just really came through. The paddle brush managed to smooth everything out. So that was done. A lot of drama. Tomorrow's gonna be good. At least the good thing is it's really cold, like super early in the morning. And so by 7 p.m., 7 a.m., that's when it starts to like warm up a little bit. So I know that by the time I'm back from my Pilates class, everything's gonna be good. And yeah, I'm excited. I hope everything that I want happens tomorrow. But now it's too late to eat lunch, which is why I make sure I eat my oat cake, because I knew that I wouldn't have energy to make myself lunch. So I'm gonna have some tea now with a cookie, and then I'll figure out what the hell I can have for dinner. I was like, I'm exhausted, but I'm really craving dumplings. Let me, cook myself a nice little dinner. Even though I'm tired, I'm gonna enjoy this dinner. I'm gonna wake up ready for my Pilates tomorrow. I barely ate, so I wanted to eat something filling and like a little higher in calories. So I made myself the dumplings, and just like 4 minutes before they were ready, the power went out again. This is just a flash on my phone right now. So sitting with no power again, and I am so glad I didn't flat iron my hair today. I just woke up. I don't know if you can tell by how terrible I look, but I did just wake up. Well, I woke up about 25 minutes ago. I am taking my dog to the bathroom, and then I'm heading for my Pilates class, which I'm already a little bit late for. But I think I'll make it on time. If I miss 5 minutes, then I miss 5 minutes. I feel so tired. My antihistamine really did its job. I got a good night's sleep. I was passed out. I was so confused in the morning when my alarm went off. And to be honest, I want to go back to sleep right now. But if I don't go to the gym now, then I won't go because I need to flat iron my hair. And once I start that, like, it's over. I'm not going anywhere. So I'm about to head to the gym now. At least I don't have to think about doing anything. I just need to follow exactly what the teacher says to do. And if I feel tired, I can always take breaks. Or if I don't want to sweat, I can take breaks. So I'm heading to my Pilates class now. Okay, so I just got done with my Pilates class. It is 7:05. It is, I'm so upset. It's 15 degrees, I think. And it's 7 a.m. Like, I expected it to be 12. I really love the winter, so I don't like it. It seems like apparently it's not going to be very cold this year. But anyway, I'm done with my workout. I'm not going to lie. I really, really did not want to be here. I was this close to just canceling and staying in. And it's partly because obviously I'm a little bit tired, but a lot of it is because the antihistamine really knocks me out. But this time it really worked well. Maybe it's because I took it in combination with my magnesium, but it's not making me feel like exhausted, like I'm sick. It's making me feel tired, like I got a great amount of sleep and I can sleep a little bit more. So that's good. As soon as I get home, I'm going to eat my breakfast. I'm having my oat cake because of course I need energy to do my flat iron. Obviously it's not going to take me as long as the washing and the blow dry and everything, so I'll obviously be done before lunch. But I'm going to eat my breakfast, do some makeup so I can look pretty, do my skincare again, of course, and then I'm going to eat, do my skincare, do my makeup, start my silk press, and then we'll be almost at the end of the vlog. So time to go home now. Just got home and Chanel has the zoomies. Yes, baby, I'm back. I'm not going anywhere now, okay? Uh-uh. Down. Uh-uh. Down. Good girl. Yeah, go to your bed. No, 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 no. Don't drop my lights. Girl. So I'm back. It is 7:38 a.m. I am ready to start making my breakfast. I just took my hair down and put it on even a lower bun with my ends tucked away, just so that it's not tight and pulling at my roots because I don't want my scalp to be like hurting. I just changed into one of my favorite pajamas. I love this. At least it's cold enough to wear it, but it's still not cold enough. It's 16 degrees right now and it's 7:38. Like, I want it to be like at least a good 9 to 10 degrees at this time. That would be like the sweet spot because I really love the cold weather. Like, aside from me having straight hair, I genuinely just love the cold weather because it just feels so cozy when you warm up and you wear a nice coat. So yes, um, at least I can take my time a little bit because I'm not like in a hurry because I don't have to worry about like washing my hair and whatever. It's just focusing on the flat iron part. So I'm just gonna take my dog out now, eat my breakfast, well, make my breakfast, and yeah, see if I can tidy a little bit while my cake is baking for 15 minutes and get to it. I was so into doing my makeup that I forgot to show you any of the steps while I was doing it, but my makeup is done. The light is kind of terrible in this room. Let me see if I open a curtain for a bit. Okay, that's a little better. Okay, so my makeup is done. The only thing I don't like about winter is my skin gets so pale so quickly. So quickly. I'm wearing so much bronzer to just try and look alive, but it's time to flat iron the hair. And here I'm using my new flat iron, which is the Babyliss Pro Prima 3000. I've actually wanted this flat iron for years, but the truth is I just wasn't ready for it. Look how silky and shiny my hair came out. I can finally say that what I guessed at the beginning of this video came true. My hair came out the best ever. This is the best soap brush I've had in my entire life. All my friends and my family members are shocked with not only how good it looked on the day, but the days later, and also how long it has lasted. The combination of these tools and these products work the best for me, and I gave myself a really good trim. I cut a lot more than I thought I would, but it's always health over length because long, unhealthy hair does nothing for no one. Just trust me, my hair is going to grow faster in the next 6 months than it did in the last 2 years. Look at that. This is my hair 1 week later, and it looks better than my best ever day one hair in the past. Please let me know if you want to see more of these vlogs, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!